Hi, and welcome to Massell Creations, the cozy little corner of YouTube where glitter somehow ends up everywhere, resin occasionally ends up where it definitely shouldn't, and somehow we still manage to make beautiful things together. If you love resin art, seasonal crafts, sparkles, creative chaos, and the occasional crafting blooper, you are absolutely in the right place. Here on the channel, we make everything from jewelry and coasters to trays, pendants, decor, holiday projects, and all kinds of glittery experiments along the way. And of course, you'll probably spot Baxter popping in from time to time. I'm so excited to finally offer channel membership as a fun way to help support the channel while getting some extra behind-the-scenes goodies along the way. Sparkle Squad members get custom emojis, loyalty badges, and member-only polls, while Glitter Gremlins get exclusive member-only shorts, extra crafty chaos, and bonus content. And our Baxter buddies get behind-the-scenes photos, bloopers, sneak peeks, and some of my favorite little moments that don't always make it into the videos. Whether you join or simply watch, comment, and craft along with me, I am so incredibly thankful that you're here and helping Massell Creations continue to grow. Now, let's go make something beautiful and hopefully not spill a resin on the table today.